Hello. Hope you're all having a good Labor Day weekend so far. Actually, today is Monday, so it'd be the last day of our lovely weekend, right? Right. It is the second of. Stop it. September 2nd at 5:08 in the afternoon. I went and did a little bit of work to this thing. I got the two fans up there, the top fans. I got them flipped around from exhaust to intake. I've got one intake fan. I've got two fans in the front, but I only have one running. None on the side. I don't think I need any. I've got plenty of airflow, but there is one thing I'm going to change because I don't need it right now. I'm going to disconnect the top fan. And yes, it is unplugged. Yes, it is. It is unplugged, isn't it? There, and it is off. Hit the power button a couple of times, make sure all the electricity is out of it, or the most of it. I won't get all of it, but I don't even connect the these screws in the back. I don't even hook those up. There's enough friction on this thing that, you know what? Where is the screw to the top fan? Is it this one? I think so. I think that's the one we pull. And I'll find out here in a second. Yes, I am going to have to do this with it plugged in, because I can't remember which ones are which. I know you guys don't like me doing this, but I've got to get them labeled is what I've got to do. I think I got it. Yep. It's nice and quiet now. This top fan is 140. I really need to get a work on my power supply too, but I just don't know if those are the right connections for it. A G3 it says. This is not a G3 power supply. I don't think it is. Maybe you guys can tell me. I don't think this is a G3 because it says it's a GT, not a G3. I'll have to check on the power supply in the other room. Maybe that belongs to that. And maybe I've got them swapped. I got one for the video. And I need to find the power supply or the power supply box for the other power supply. Or I just might be ordering a new one, which I do need a new one on hand. I think I need to get another 650. That's what I want. Another GT would be nice. But I don't know, maybe I'll just take the chance, take that cord, plug it in here, and watch it go kaboom. No, I won't. I'll figure it out. Don't you worry. I'm not gonna blow things up like some people think I like doing. Oh, you just want to plug it in to see if it goes kaboom. Like, no. I want to plug it in to see if it really works with that power supply. But then I'd have to bring out the other power supply. I might swap them. Because the other one has the eco switch on it and this one doesn't. So the eco, it's an eco Eagle fan, so it never turns on because I'm not drawing enough power to turn that fan on. So it pretty much it stays off. But next project, I got the fans, the NVMe. Oh yes, the NVMe. Yes. Oh my God, I almost forgot. And it's just, oh my God. Oops. Right click. Disk management. And then there it is. You must initialize this disk before a logical disk manager can access it. Well, yes, that is true. So that's A, B, C, D. Oh, dang it. Fuck, I F that up. Because disk 1 is on disk 0. See, this is disk 1. This should be my C. And it isn't. Fudge. Dang it. Okay, there's no D. So I guess we'll keep it as E. DaVinci. That's what that drive is going to be used for, is DaVinci R. That's all I'm going to use that drive for, is DaVinci Resolve. Finish. See, I've got this backwards. This C drive should be on disk 0. How the fudge did I screw that up? Oh yeah, this is disk 1. It's on C is disk 1. I don't want it like that, but oh well. It is what it is. At least it does somewhat work. Maybe that's explaining maybe some of my issues I have with it taking a couple seconds after I click the right after I click the mouse on something. I go 1001, 1002, and 1003. It finally does what I'm asking it to. Whereas to close a window or do something or stop a video to pause it, after I pause it, I have to count to about 1003 before that actually happens. So we'll have to change this at some point, but it works. So I'm going to leave it. But you know what I want to do? Okay, there's DaVinci. Control A to select all of them, except I don't want all of them. So I'm going to go to Control and Control. All the rest of them? Yes. Control X to select all of them, or to cut them. We're going to move them off of here. I do not want them on this C drive. So we go back up to this PC, standard drive, and now we are in DaVinci R. This is the E drive. Control V. And that's at 2.1 gigabytes per second. That's got a lot of stuff to move, and it says in about 4 minutes. Right. It's not going to be 4 minutes, so I'll be back when this is done. Well, there they all are. All on my new DaVinci drive, the NVMe, that is in this computer. Now, these cables, they both say G3. The one in the living room is a G3, and the ones I just checked in this box are also say G3, so I'm assuming that's correct. It does, so you guys can't read that. It's upside down. There. G3. I think it'll work. I mean, they're both 750s, or not 750s, 650s. They're pretty much about the same. I checked the specs on the power supply. The label that's on the motherboard, that's on the power supply. Yeah, I'm going to use that one. There's really no difference between the two power supplies. One's just a GT, this one. Which is funny, that one says it's a G3, this is a GT. I really don't think there's a difference between the two. So, but I need to get some drives hooked up to it so I can get some other stuff done. But that is about it. I got done what I needed to do, and I think tomorrow, yeah, tomorrow I think we'll do the monitors. Or at least I will. I don't know how much of that I want to record. Because the last time I attempted to record putting this post on this monitor, the VG or the HDMI thing broke. It can be fixed, but I'm not worried about it. So, I don't know. I'm hoping that G3 connector here works, because they both say G3. The one's in there, and for the one in here says G3, so I don't know. But alright guys, that is going to do it for this video. I can get things situated right. Oh, I don't know, it's probably not entertaining or a video I should probably delete. It's not really up to par, but you know, it's a video, so you get what you get. I gotta organize all this, put everything back, get everything organized, and go on from there. Alright guys, with that, I'm gonna let you go. You all have a good one, good evening, or good afternoon, depending on where you are. It's 5:58 here, so alright, catch up with you all later. Bye for now.